Yeah, dealing with some rain this morning and for some beneficial rain for much of the area. Some of the most widespread rain we've seen in about 3 weeks. Of course, scattered showers and storms developing yesterday afternoon in the heat and the humidity. And all of this is out ahead of a cold front. That cold front going to bring us some big time temperature and humidity relief as we start to make our way into the holiday weekend. Checking in this morning, still watching some showers. Occasionally we've seen maybe a bolt of lightning, a rumble of thunder. But for the most part right now, this is just steady rain. There are a couple of heavier pockets of rain right now. One of those passing just to the north and east of Pinckneyville. This is going to continue to work its way over Highway 51 and eventually into the southwest corner there of Jefferson County and cross 148 between Waltonville and Cesar. Rain continuing to move through parts of Jackson County as well. Right now over towards the Virgins area. That's tracking over towards Elkville and DeSoto, moving down Route 13 as well in Carbondale. We're watching more rain stacked up through the St. Louis metro area, and that is starting to make its way to the south and east. So if you are going to be out and about this morning, make sure you're planning some extra time as we are dealing with a lot of wet roads and maybe some reduced visibility as well and some of those heavier showers. Kind of a rainy day here on a Thursday. However, it does set the stage for some very nice weather into Friday and through much of the holiday weekend. There's the cold front still to our north and to our west. That's going to start to drop to the south later on today and slide its way through later on tonight. But as we head into the lunchtime hour, still some scattered showers. There's a chance we could see a little bit of sunshine this afternoon, kind of heat things back up. We've still got the humidity in place. So really, as we start to make our way into the afternoon hours, we're probably going to see a little more in the way of thunder and lightning. As we start to move into the evening hours, here comes the cold front. Still some isolated showers and storms possible through about 9 p.m. and then the rain starts to clear out, and by this time tomorrow morning we are rain free. And check out some of these temperatures back in the low 60s on Friday morning and Friday afternoon with sunshine. Temperatures only into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Some of these showers and storms that are moving through today could produce some very, very heavy rainfall. And it looks like, especially later on this afternoon, some of the highest chances will come in far southern Illinois and into western Kentucky. But much like what we've seen through this week with some of these showers and storms, we could quickly pick up 1 inch to 2 inches of rain. Live view in Carbondale this morning, the rain is coming down. 71 degrees, dew points are still in the low 70s. Here's the cool down, 81 today, 80 tomorrow, 81 into Saturday. We start to warm back up by the end of the weekend and into the first part of next week. But it's not only the temperature relief, it's the relief from some of the humidity. Dew points today in the low 70s. Look at that, dropping upper 50. Dew points tomorrow into Saturday, and keeping some of the dry air in place even towards the second half of the weekend. Track that wet weather this morning with the Storm Track 3 app. Make sure you've got that tool handy. Again, an 80% chance for some showers today, but then we're rain free through the weekend and into the early part of next week. Starting to heat back up though. By Monday, we're back in the upper 80s. By Tuesday, we're into the low 90s, and that humidity starts to bring more chances for showers and storms by the middle of next week.
Humidity and we can't see eye to eye ever.
Well, we're going to get a nice break from it this weekend, so enjoy it.
I look forward to that. Thank you, Nick.